In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links on Squarespace, beginner tutorial. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and heading to your website. From there, open your site settings. You'll see a section for website settings, and inside it, look for social links. This is where Squarespace stores the URLs it uses to generate your social icons across the site. In the social links panel, type or paste the full URLs to your social profiles. Include the HTTPS so Squarespace can recognize the platform and display the correct icon. For example, paste the full link to your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, or any other platform you want to include. You can add multiple links here, and Squarespace will automatically match each one with the right icon. Once your links are added, go back to your website view and open Pages. Choose the page or section where you want the icons to appear, then click Edit to enter the page editor. If you see any placeholder blocks you don't need, remove them so you have a clean spot to place the social icons. You might remove more than one, depending on your layout. Next, click Add Block to insert new content. In the block search, type Social and select the Social Links block. This block pulls from the URLs you just added in settings, so the icons will appear automatically. With the block on the page, use the on-screen controls to fine-tune the design. You can adjust the layout and alignment to place the icons left, center, or right. Tweak the size to make the icons subtle or bold. Choose the style you prefer, icons only, or icons with labels, depending on your design. Adjust spacing so they look balanced with surrounding content, and pick a color theme that works with your site's palette. If your site uses design presets, the icons will inherit those styles, which helps everything stay consistent. If you need to add another platform, click Add Social Link in the block controls and paste the new URL. The icon will appear alongside the others. Review the social links list to confirm everything is correct. When you're happy with the placement and styling, click Save to publish your changes. After saving, take a moment to preview the page and test each icon to make sure every link opens the right profile. That's it! Your social icons are now added and styled on your Squarespace site. If you ever update a URL in the social links settings, the change will carry over to any social links block you've placed, keeping everything consistent without extra